Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you for the very last video of the year, apparently. So, yeah, thanks for everybody who's joined me this year, man. I can't thank you enough. I never thought that this channel would do anything, man. We were just kind of having a laugh when we set it up, and I never thought that we would go anywhere with it. So for those who have joined us and been with us all year, man, heartfelt thanks goes out. And also for those of you who joined us on the Ask Me Anything live stream last night, we had a wonderful time. I think we put out some good information because we got very good questions, and we had a wonderful time. So thank you so much for that as well. If you did not get to catch us live, the replay is available, and I hope you'll take a look. Today, we are bringing you Osmosis because we are spending so much time over in Cosmos lately and want to make sure that we have it all covered before we roll over to Solana to take advantage of those deals and opportunities. Look, in a nutshell, Osmosis is what makes the IBC bridge work in Cosmos. No Osmo, no bridge. The trading pairs for anything on Cosmos runs through Osmo. Now, I'm a huge fan of utility tokens, and Osmosis is pure utility. You are more than welcome to speculate in this one. And as long as there is a stable coin on Cosmos, you can effectively day trade there with the swaps. And we're going to revisit the how and why at the bottom part of this video. But you will not maximize your gains through Osmosis. It's not one that's going to pop off like that. It gains value through liquidity, a little bit, but it gains the bulk of its value through usage, and it gets used. There's a very nifty tool you can look at, and it's called mapofzones.com. Play around with that after the video if you want to see for yourself. Every transaction, every IBC transfer, transactions, IBC share, it's all there on Map of Zones. And guess who is right at the top? Osmosis, of course. The bulk of the liquidity pools that exist over there, Osmo is the trading pair. It's a critical piece of the Cosmos puzzle, and I can't recommend this one enough, man. But it's not purely for its raw value, even though I see it going up. I can't recommend it enough because it offers a staking percentage of right around 100% APR. It is at or near 100% APR. In case I didn't nail that point, down 100% for staking. Rewards start accumulating immediately, and you can claim them at your leisure. Just hit the blue button. There is no catch. Even though this is crypto and we are all looking for the other shoe to drop. If there is another shoe, I haven't seen it yet. If you plan on joining us over on Cosmos, a good portion of your holdings here should be in Osmosis, and it should be staked. One of the bears about crypto is the volatility of the market. And if you have been in crypto more than 10 minutes, you have already experienced it. Every couple of months, we tank the hell out of it. Across the board, nobody is spared. Bitcoin wobbles, market gets shaky. Everybody runs and you lose money. So, if you can find a way to insulate yourself from this volatility, hedge your investments so you don't eat 100% of the dips when they happen. Osmosis. I have never been a fan of buy, hold, and hope. It is not in me to allow the rest of the market to have a say in the quality and value of my holdings. The only exception I would ever make to that is high percentage staking tokens, and Osmosis is one of those high percentage staking tokens. So for the very first time on this program, I would recommend it for a buy, a hold, and hope, because you don't have to hope. You know that this one will earn for you, and it will earn for you in staking rewards. It literally broke the formula for this channel, and I couldn't be happier about that. For those who do not want to actively trade to maximize gains, there is a product that doesn't require active trading to do just that, Osmosis. From a low of, it was around $1.25 back in July to the current price of $6, 6.25 at the time of this video. It has shown over its life that it is a runner, continues to raise the floor. And as new products and new networks launch on Cosmos, Osmosis is just going to continue to run because it has to. If you don't know how to get in on all of this goodness, we have made several step-by-step videos to assist you. Look for anything on this channel with Cosmos and step-by-step in the title. And boom, you are active on a newer level 1. Oh, I got to revisit it. For the day trading folks, there are 18 individual trading tokens on Cosmos. Have some fun making your trades via swaps for pennies. Literally pennies. Gas is not a factor here. No maker, no taker. Just gas. Cheers. Use Terra for your landing spot. That's what I'd recommend if you're going to go that way. And yeah, guys, look, that's about what I have for Osmosis. It is a necessary element to a very large and growing network. It is the Ethereum of Cosmos. And as Cosmos continues to grow, and you know what, Q1 is going to be a very nice quarter for a few of the networks here. Look at Secret, watch Secret. Osmosis is going to come along for the ride. Make 2022 the year of smart money. And this is smart money. Hedge yourself. Maximize your gains. Put your money to work while you wait. And until next time, please be safe. Please be smart with your money. And thank you, thank you, thank you for giving us just a wonderful year here at the Podcasts. Cheers.